Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you are keeping yourself in a good health. In this occasion, I would like to share to you about the material of the day, and it's about types of variables. There are three science variables. The first one is independent variable, then dependent variable, and the last is controlled variable. We will discuss it one by one. Start from independent variable. Independent variable is the variable that is manipulated or changed. It's called independent because it doesn't depend on any other variable, and it can affect dependent variable. Then, dependent variable. Dependent variable is the measurement that changes in response to what you change in the experiment. This variable is called dependent variable because it depends on other variable. And if there is a direct link between the two types of variables, in here, independent and dependent, so we can call it as a cause and effect relationship. Next, controlled variable. A controlled variable is a variable which holds constant or controls during an experiment. It's also known as a constant variable or simply as a control. It's neither the independent variable nor the dependent variable. We will continue to one example or problem question to make you more understand with variables. The question is, does the sunlight affect the growth of sprout? In here, in the problem question, you can analyze two variables. Those are sunlight and sprout. Sunlight is the independent variable, and the sprout is the dependent variable. If we predict the outcome of this experiment, so the sunlight as independent variable can affect the sprout as the dependent variable. The sunlight is called independent variable because it can affect the sprout as the dependent variable. And the sprout is called dependent variable because it can be affected by the independent variable, and here the independent variable is the sunlight. It can be tested through a simple experiment. Here there are two setups. The first one is experimental setup and the other is controlled setup. The differences between two setups is only the independent variable. We must keep all variables the same in both setups except the independent variable, because the independent variable is only in experimental setup but it doesn't put in controlled setup. Plant or seed, soil, pot, and water is called as controlled variable, and we must put the same in both setup. And don't forget to put the sunlight in as independent variable in experimental setup, and the plant in control setup, we must put it in the closed room or the closed box or without the sunlight. Next, after 2 weeks, you can see the differences between those setups in experimental and in controlled. In experimental setup, the growth of sprout is not as fast as controlled setup. The color of leaf is green and it has white leaves, and the size of stem is bigger. And in controlled setup, the sprouts have growth faster in the controlled setup. The color of leaf is yellow and the size of stem is smaller. So we back to our question, does the sunlight affect the growth of sprout? The answer is yes. The sunlight as independent variable can affect the growth of sprout as dependent variable. We continue to our last page. So to sum up, there are three science variables. The first one is independent variables, or what you change in experiment, and then dependent variables, or what you observe in experiment, and the last is controlled variables, or variables that are kept the same in experiment. Don't forget, we also have experimental setup and controlled setup. Experimental setup is the exact same setup as the control setup, but it has independent variable, and the control setup is the exact same setup as the experimental setup, but without independent variable. I think that's all our material of today. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Thank you.